As far as taste or flavor, there's really three components to that in apple. One is the amount of sugars, the other is the amount of acid, and the third one is the amount of what we call aromatic or volatile compounds that provide some of the flavor and odor notes. For acidity, there are basically two major factors that are known and keep popping up in studies. So those two are, I'll say, relatively simple.
All right, so what does Dr. Libby mean by relatively simple? Well, like he stated, there are two main genes that control apples' acidity and the amount of malic acid produced, which is the primary acid in apples. These show incomplete dominance, but unlike color, in which there are just three alleles, these genes have 10 different alleles, which is actually pretty common for most apple genes, and it's something we call extreme heterozygosity. And it's one of the key reasons why we have so much variety in apples, because there are just so many possible alleles for each gene in each apple to have. So we can use these genes to predict acidity, but only to a certain extent. One study found that these genes only explained about 50% of the variance they saw in different apples' acidity levels.